Did your misdiagnosis occur in the emergency room because your doctor failed to do a differential diagnosis? Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And today I would like to talk with you about why a differential diagnosis is very important, especially in the emergency room. And the reason this is the case is because what a differential diagnosis does is it prevents a doctor from guessing as to what is the diagnosis that you may be suffering from. And how a differential diagnosis works is that when the doctor comes in and talks to the patient, the doctor is supposed to, of course, review the patient's charts and things of that nature, but the doctor will then talk with the patient and ask the patient about his or her complaints and get information about the patient's medical history and family history. The reason this is important is because what the doctor is doing is making a list of what could be causing your injury or your pain. And what the doctor will then do is either make that list in his or her mind or jot it down on some paper. And what the doctor will do is give you tests to either confirm a diagnosis or to cross off a diagnosis. And again, what this does is it prevents the doctor from guessing as to what is your diagnosis. Because if the doctor is guessing, then he or she is needlessly endangering you. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important concept? Because if you're watching this video, chances are you had a misdiagnosis done and it was because of an emergency room error. Chances are you have questions about the process and you're wondering, are you the victim of medical malpractice here in Maryland? Well, if you have these concerns, this is what I invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer questions like yours all the time regarding Maryland medical malpractice law, and I'll be glad to listen to your story. Well, guys, that's it for today's short educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.